The folks that live in this home wanted a focal point in their backyard that would be attractive but very simple. They also wanted a place they could relax out in the yard instead of just using their wood deck. The answer is the simple shade arbor that we created here in the backyard, complete with a swing. Now, the cool thing about an arbor like this is generally it has some type of greenery around it, like the vines that are growing up on each side of this particular arbor. And that kind of allows the structure itself to blend right into the garden. And an arbor like this can be used in a number of different ways. Larger arbors are great for defining space in a landscape without closing it in. A small patio in the middle of a large yard becomes a more intimate space when there's an arbor defining it. Of course, there's also the added benefit of shade from the sun, as well as creating a platform for little amenities like lights and fans. Because you can vary the design of an arbor, they can be created to complement or contrast almost any style of home, from contemporary to traditional. Smaller arbors may also define space by creating an entry or gateway to a garden or a specific area of the yard. It's almost like posting a sign that says, "You're entering the garden, so now relax." And of course, there's the destination arbor. Now, this creates just the kind of focal point the homeowners wanted, and they tell me that it's really become their favorite place to sit, swing, read a book, and just simply relax.